Get ready to meet the incredible Cécile Desserle, a pop rock artist who is as faithful as she is rebellious. She's got a solid foundation in art, and let me tell you, it's the kind of foundation that allows her to unleash a burst of colors and sensuality like no other. This woman is a force to be reckoned with. Born in 1971, Cécile's artistic journey began at the tender age of 10. You see, her father had a ceramic workshop, and that's where she discovered a whole new world of art. Growing up on the beautiful Costa Brava, she was surrounded by the works of her father, who was known for his ability to capture rare beauty and serenity in his art. And let me tell you, Cécile's art is no different. She's got that same vibrant luminosity that you find in the art of those Mediterranean masters. Now, Cécile didn't just stumble upon her talent. Oh no, she comes from an art-loving family, and she was drawn to drawing and sketching from a young age. It was clear that she had a knack for it. So, at the age of 19, she decided to take her passion to the next level and enrolled at the San Fernando Faculty of Fine Arts in Madrid. And guess what? She graduated as a licenciado in sculpture in 1982. Talk about dedication. But Cécile's artistic journey didn't stop there. No, sir. For several years, she hit the streets as a nomad street portraitist, traveling along the Spanish coast and islands. She was determined to learn and develop her artistic skills, and boy, did she succeed. Along the way, she discovered her love for pastels, and that became her go-to medium. Finally, in 1987, Cécile found her artistic home in Calonge, Costa Brava. It was here that her art truly blossomed into the luminous Mediterranean style that we know and love today. Her work is a true reflection of the beauty and vibrancy of the region. It's like she captures the essence of the Mediterranean and puts it on canvas.